Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang gagwapo, B! What the frick is that sound? I want more. Sige, hindi mo lang pinakita yung mukha kahit isang segundo lang. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jamaica, and for today, meron naman tayong bagong reaction video. And today, we are going to react to the kings of P-pop, SB19 themselves. We are going to react to their comeback teaser, which titles Paano Ba Higitan Ang Sagad Na? So I'm very, very excited for this because this is the last part of their trilogy, which is Simula at Wakas. Ito yung pagkatapos ng pagtatag. So I'm very, very excited for this, and I cannot wait to see their output, the music and everything, the music video. And now we are blessed with this wonderful masterpiece as their teaser. So I cannot wait anymore. So let's do this. Let's react to it. Okay, so let's start. Ooh. Is that the Watt flag? Ay, dito sila sumayaw ng Watt, di ba? Yung parang ganon. Oh my gosh. What is this? Grabe yung craft ng SB19. Sobrang ganda talaga. Oh my gosh. Pagtatag. So this is the cave, right? Oh, the tree. Grabe, nakaka-excite. May tao, B. Oh my gosh. This is giving The Boys. The Boys ng SNSD. Oh my gosh. Ay, it's a girl. It's a girl. Who are you, girl? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang gagwapo, B! Uy, ang ganda nila. Ang ganda ng damit. What the freak? Yes, Pabs. Hinihila na ako ni Pablo. Grabe, ang animation. It's giving budget, girls. Oh. What the frick is that sound? Yung music, ang ganda nung... Yun na yun, te. Yun na yun. Oh my gosh, yun na yun. Oh my gosh, yun na yun. I want more. Di, ang ganda. 1 minute 46 seconds. Parang feeling ko nasa 30 seconds lang tayo nung video natin siya. Pero ang ganda. Grabe yung ano. Dito pa lang sa teaser, parang grabe na agad yung visuals. Tapos yung dulo, feeling ko for sure yung dulo na parang instrumental. Feeling ko kasama yun sa instrumental ng one of their songs. So, February 28 ang ating ang comeback ng SB19, and I'm so excited for that. Ooh, produced by Once Entertainment and 1032 Lab. What? Grabe, babe. Super love it. Isa pa nga, parang kailangan ko pa ng isa pang look para ma-digest natin lahat ng nangyari. It's the What intro. Oh my gosh. Ngayon ko lang narinig. Yung instrumental pa yung nagpe-play, yun yung mga instrumental ng songs nila. I just realized it. And then the radio for Wyatt. Is that yung chair ba? Ano ba yan? Niebe ba yan? Tama ba yung pagkakaalala ko? Or saan ba yan? Oh my gosh. Ayun o, kalakal, di ba ito yung tawag dito? Yung ano nung kalakal, yung parang trolley, right? Am I right? Am I wrong? Yes, of course. Gento, pagtatag. Grabe, ang ganda, be. So excited na talaga. Akala ko talaga ito isang member ng SB. It's a girl pala. Ooh. Boobs. Boobs! Mga bebe ko. Okay, let's see, let's see. I think they have like the eyes, or ako lang ba yung nakakita? Yung eyes ni Justin, like it's different. And then, hindi ko masyadong kita yung mata ni Stel. Si Josh, I think he's blonde now. Ay, hindi, feeling ko lahat sila may ganun yung mata. Si Ken naman, balot naman, te. Hindi na makita, te. Ano na yan? Tsaka update lang pala sa bias ko. 'Di ba isa akong Ken bias. So, I'm from the Manukan. Pero right now, talagang nung nag-solo sila and this past few months, nahatak talaga ako ni Pablo Be. Talagang bet na bet ko yung lahat ng kanta na ni-release niya nung nag-solo siya. Like, I just loved it. So, parang nagiging bias ko si Pablo. Tapos si Ken, ewan ko, nagpapalit-palit silang dalawa. But I love this for them. Ang gagwapo, B. Si Ken, di man lang pinakita yung mukha kahit isang segundo lang. Boogs. Gwapo ni Bebe, oh. Ito yung ganda, oh. It's giving reputation. At saka ang ganda kasi, parang, di ba, S, A, tas W. Wow. Ang ganda nung ano nila, nung logo. Saw. Simula at bukas. Boogs. Ganyan. Ayan, oh. Yung instrumental na yun, para siyang ang eerie niya na hindi ko maintindihan. Ito. Right? So, February 28, single release. So, I think ito yung magiging, ano nila, like the highlight song. Yung parang katulad ng Gento, di ba una nilang nirelease yung Gento bago yung lahat ng songs ng pagtatag. So, feeling ko, ganun ang magiging approach nila. And then, April 25 is the EP release. And then, tour kick-off. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. Alam niyo nung hindi ko alam na nag-release sila kasi wala namang pasabi, be. Hindi mo na tayo sinabihan. Walang pasabi. Tapos nung nagti-TikTok ako kanina, may nakita akong screenshot nitong um, yung 5 sila na naglalakad tapos yung 3 nandun sa likod. Yun yung nakita ko pero picture lang siya. Tapos sabi ko, ano to? Meron namang ni-release? Eh wala pa naman ako nakikita, te. So, akala ko AI lang, parang dahil miss na ng 18 ang SB19, gumawa sila ng AI image, ganon. Tapos maya-maya nakita ko sa Facebook, nag-update sila ng header. Sabi ko, ay be, comeback na be. Kaya yun. So, saka ko nalaman. And of course, SB19 lang ang makakapagpa-makeup sa akin ng ganito kabilis. Pagkakita ko, sabi ko, be, mag-film tayo today. Kahit na malapit akong matulog dahil 10:33 na, nag-makeup tayo for SB19. Ganun. Bonggang-bonggang-bongga. I'm super excited. Grabe. Naalala ko rin kasi, nung nag-release ng pagtatag, hindi ako nakapag-react in any of the materials na SB19 nung time na yon dahil I'm very busy with my work. And sobrang pinagsisihan ko yon kasi Gento was their best song for me. At saka grabe talaga yung hype nung time na yon. And yeah, I hope that eto nga, sana mahigitan niya yung sa Gento more and more. Bonggang-bongga to. So ayun, feeling ko ang dami ko na namang sinabi, baka mamaya sobrang tagal na naman itong reaction video na 'to, dapat 1 minute lang siya. So yeah, I'm so excited for them. For this video's verse of the day, we have Psalm chapter 131 verse 2. It says, "But I have calmed and quieted my soul like a weaned child with its mother. Like a weaned child is my soul within me." So I decided to read this devotion to you guys because I think it is very on point since it's already February, the month of hearts, and Valentine's Day is coming. So I'm just going to read to you guys my devotion for this day. I always plan. I am a planner. And to add to that, I am also a writer. Whenever I have a crush, all my actions are calculated into manipulating them to do what I want. I post certain things on social media for me to get their attention. I like certain things so that we'll have something to talk about. I plan things because I want a certain outcome. But through my journey this year, God opened my eyes that no matter how I manipulate my life and the people around me, it's always God's plan that will prevail. And I realized that whatever I plan for myself, God's plan will always be better. He knows my story and He knows me. And I know God will never forsake me. Everything that He plans for me is good. And today, I learned to calm myself and let God lead the way and trust Him in everything. So I guess that's that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, click the like button down below and comment down below what you guys think about this video and kung ano yung pinaka-excite nyong makita na ipakita na SB19 in this comeback, and kung excited na rin ba kayo katulad ko and hindi na rin ba kayo makapag-antay for February 28. So yeah, just comment down below what you guys think and what your thoughts are, and you can also subscribe to my channel para maging updated kayo every time I'm going to post a new video, especially now that SB19 is coming back to the music scene. So I don't want to miss any ganaps from our boys. So I'm going to try and react to all of them. And you can also click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo every time I'm going to post a new video. So yeah, I guess that's that. And I hope you guys I hope I'll see you guys on my next video, and yeah, see you next time. Bye!
Tanawang paninda ko sir, is a new touch. Basin lang og di ka aware, but it's a new touch. Daghang panuway nga nanid na dira pero